How to zoom in on DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, head over to your timeline and make sure that you have your selected video drop down in the timeline. Then you're gonna head over to the edit section. And into the edit section, what you're gonna do is you're gonna quickly drag and adjust the headway right onto the place that you want to be making the zoom at. Let's just say I want to do it right at this edge, at this old granny. Okay, and then what I'm going to be doing is then I'm going to be heading over to the inspector tool right here onto the top right hand side of the screen. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to simply drag and drop onto the zoom area right here. I can simply slide right and left and create zoom in onto this image. As you can see, I've zoomed in up so much here, and I just want to see this granny's face right here. Likewise, if you want to zoom out, I can zoom out as well, both in the X and Y axis. It's going to adjust itself out automatically. So guys, this is how you can zoom in on DaVinci Resolve 18.